Hello, this is Veronica Parker, coordinator with the CAP Technical Assistance Project, here with the next segment in our Advancing California Adult Education website launch series. Let's explore the site in more detail. We will take a plunge into each section to help you become familiar so you can use all of its features to support your program and connect with practitioners statewide. Today, I will take you through the nomination process, including how to create an account and a walkthrough of the rubric. As mentioned in the last update, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a login for those of you who do not have one and complete the nomination submission form. Before I begin with those pieces, let's take a look at the rubric. The rubric has 7 criteria areas. The first one being comprehensive program overview, problem or practice purpose for the nominated program, response to help address the problem or practice, features that make the program unique, program/student outcomes as a result of implementation as stated and supported by data, picture/video depicting the program, and replicable program in other settings. Each section scale ranges from 0 to 3, 0 being you did not address the criteria at all, and 3 being you provided a comprehensive description of the section. For example, to receive all points in the first section, you will include a clear and concise description of the program, along with an approved CAP program area aligned to one of the CAP state priorities and the 5 W's plus how. Now that the rubric has been reviewed, let's start the nomination process. In order to nominate, you must ensure you have an account created on the CAP website. If you do not have an account, simply click on Request Support on the home page, select Register as a new user, and then add your name, email address, password, consortium, role, position/title, and phone number. Then hit register. Being registered on the CAP website will allow you to easily sign up for CAP TAP hosted webinars, request technical assistance, as well as nominate new, emerging, and or promising programs. Now, it's time for nominations. Nominations can be submitted for a program by the practitioner, administrator, consortia, or colleague. All nominations that meet the requirement will be added to the model program resource page, and the top 2 scoring programs will receive an exhibitor booth and a highlight video of their program created by the SCOE Internet and Media Services team. The video will promote the program's success in addition to being showcased at the CAP Summit. Do you know of a program that fits this criteria? Are you aware of an emerging or innovative program that you'd like to share with other practitioners? Here's your opportunity to share. To participate in the nomination process, you will first complete the nomination form after reviewing the rubric and provide program details, starting with the title of the program lead's name, contact information for the program, including the program lead's phone number and email address, and then include the program's website. Once you have completed those details, you will move on to the practice section. In the practice section, you will start by clearly and concisely identifying the problem of practice, and then how this model program responded to that problem of practice. You will include the unique features of the program, and then identify the outcomes and supporting data that supports this model program. Next, you will select your consortium as well as the region for this model program, and then identify the program areas and state priorities that align to this model program. And remember, you can add more than one. In the last section on the nomination process form, you will upload an image. Remember, an image is part of the rubric, so you want to make sure that you add an image to increase your chances of being identified as a top 2, as well as meeting the requirements for the model program to be included on the Advancing California Adult Education website. It also provides an overview of the program. Once you've hit submit, you have submitted a model program. Now, remember a few simple steps when it comes to the nomination process. You'll first identify a program or practice, log into the website, submit the model program, and remember, share images. The nomination window is open, and it's time to submit a deserving program to be highlighted on the CAP TAP website and added to the model programs website and possibly showcased at this year's CAP Summit 2021. We hope this segment answered your questions on how to nominate a model program, but more importantly, we hope that this segment generated thoughts on a model program you may want to nominate, as well as generated excitement about the possibility of being showcased at the CAP Summit 2021. If you have any questions, contact CAP TAP at tap@caladoed.org or 888-827-2324 to reach us by phone. We'll see you next week in the next segment of this launch series, where we will be focusing on the Connect page.